Earth Shaker, Raccoon brand fireworks, 7 shots. I know the performance is on here. There we go. Sweet. I've really been getting a lot of Raccoon products lately, and it's only because they've been impressing me lately. So let's see if the Earth Shaker 500 gram cake from Raccoon is just as impressive. Get the heck out of Dodge City here and take a gander. A nice night for shooting too. Man, you can tell that fall weather is coming, getting nice and cool. Run through my minefield here. Running through the minefield. Hit! Here we go, let's check out the Earth Shaker. Wow. Those are nice size breaks. Sweet. Woo! Shook the earth from where I'm standing. Awesome. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Tell me what you think. Like away. Peace out, pyros.